How much should you actually spend on a cell phone mount for your F150? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others return the pricey options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Surfcabin CNC Magnetic Holder. First up is the Surfcabin CNC Magnetic Truck Air Vent Phone Holder, priced at $34.99. What caught my attention here is its compatibility with the F150 models from 2021 to 2026, and it boasts a solid 4.6-star rating from over 300 reviews. If you want a reliable mount that won't obscure your view, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The magnetic clamp features 20 strong and 52 magnetic pins, which means it can securely hold your phone even on bumpy roads. It rotates 45 degrees for the best viewing angle, perfect for navigation. Plus, it's made from durable aluminum that won't scratch or get damaged easily. At this price, it's no wonder over 200 people bought it just last month. Now some people complained about the fit, saying it doesn't work with modified dashboards. Here's the thing though, if you have a factory model, this mount is incredibly easy to install and won't interfere with your visibility. So if you have an F150 from the right years and want a hassle-free installation, this is perfect for you. Skip this one if you've got a custom dashboard or want something that can hold larger devices beyond standard smartphones. But at this price point, it offers excellent value. Now, if that potential fit issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kaixingyuan Magnetic Mount. Next up is the Kaixingyuan Car Vent Magnetic Phone Mount for $39.99. This one also has a 4.6-star rating from 135 reviews and is designed exclusively for the F150 models from 2021 to 2026. If you need a secure and easy-to-use mount, keep watching. That means it'll keep your phone in place even on rough terrain, which is great if you're off-roading or just navigating city streets. The anti-slip base prevents scratches on your vent, a common issue with many other mounts. Plus, the 360-degree rotation ensures you can adjust it to your liking. Now, some users mentioned it was tricky to install initially. Here's the thing though, once you get it right, you can easily place and remove your phone with just one hand, making it super convenient while driving. This is perfect for you if you want a high-strength holder that won't damage your vehicle. Skip this one if you need a mount that fits third-party modifications. For the price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something more versatile. Product number 3, Surfcabin CNC Vent Holder. Coming in next is another Surfcabin product, the CNC Vent Phone Holder for $34.99. This one has a similar 4.6-star rating and caters to F150 models from 2015 to 2020. If you're looking for something that combines versatility with affordability, this is worth considering. The 45-degree rotation allows you to view your phone at the perfect angle. Plus, its lightweight aluminum construction is both scratch-resistant and durable. Now, some users have pointed out that it doesn't fit all aftermarket models. Here's my take: if your F150 is a standard model, installation is a breeze and won't obstruct your view while driving. This is perfect for you if you want something simple and effective for older F150 models. Skip this if you're looking to mount larger tablets or devices. At this price, it offers great functionality. Now, if you need something more rugged, the next pick might be just right for you. Product number 4, Bullet Point Metal Dash Mount. Next, we have the Bullet Point Metal Dash Mount Phone Holder, which is priced at $96.99. This one is a bit more premium with a 4.8-star rating from 555 reviews, and it's made specifically for F150s from 2015 to 2020. If you want something super sturdy that can handle tough conditions, this might be your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an all-metal base that securely holds your phone, even in rough off-road conditions. Installation requires some drilling, but it's designed to stay put no matter what. The spring-loaded design means it's easy to access your phone while driving. Now, some users mention that the installation can be a bit intimidating. Here's the thing, once it's in, it's rock solid and won't budge, giving you peace of mind while you're on the road. This is perfect for you if you're an off-roading enthusiast who needs a reliable mount. Skip this if you're not comfortable with drilling into your dash. It's definitely a bigger investment, but for durability, it's worth it. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which offers a great balance of price and performance. Product number 5, Surfcabin Dash Mount. Last but not least, we have the Surfcabin Dash Mount phone holder for $47.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 217 reviews, this one is designed for F150s from 2015 to 2020 and also fits some Super Duty models. If you want a factory-like look with stability, this is a noteworthy option. The simple installation with options for screws or tape means you can choose what suits you best. Plus, it rotates 360 degrees, giving you full control over your device's position. Now, a few users have commented that it might not fit securely on all dashboards. Here's my perspective. If you have a compatible model, it's easy to install and gives a clean, factory-like finish. This is perfect for you if you want a secure mount that blends in with your vehicle's interior. Skip this if you have a heavily modified dashboard. For the price, it's an excellent option with good stability. To wrap it all up, we've seen a variety of mounts, from magnetic holders to sturdy dash options, each with its own strengths. Depending on your F150 model and specific needs, there's definitely a solid choice for you. So there you have it. From the Surfcabin CNC magnetic holder to the bullet point metal dash mount, each one brings something unique to the table. It really depends on what you're looking for: ease of use, durability, or a sleek design. Whatever you choose, just make sure it fits your specific model. Happy driving!